Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone.
Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy. Today we are doing a living room makeover. I'm also going to be switching out my pillows in the bedroom. So lots to do in today's video. I hope you all enjoy this video. There's going to be spring cleaning, spring decorating, lots of inspiration for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is what we're working with in the living room. My curtains were green and I wanted to switch them out. So pick these out. The color is wheat and I got those curtains at Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out the two curtains in our living room. And we also have a black curtain on our front door, but I will change that out another day.
So just stay for a little while.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh, my heart is open.
I am also taking down these vines that I got at Dollar Tree. I lighted them up just to, have it feel like I was bringing the outside inside, but it's definitely time for a change. And I'm also taking them off of this door frame. As you can see on the right side, some had already fallen off the bottom, so I figured it was just time to get rid of all of them. I may end up taking the ones off in the hallway as well, but that is going to be for another day. And then I will show y'all this door that I'm talking about. I think it'd be really good to get a just cream colored curtain to go over the door, or I may try to find the exact color wheat and just replace this one that I have hanging on the door now with the same color as the curtains I just got. I think that would look good too.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make.
So we will come back to the living room the next day, but for now I'm going to switch out our pillows. These are the firm pillows and it's the king size. We got these at Walmart. They were around $13 a piece if y'all also are needing to replace your pillows. And then with one of the old pillows I was using a body pillow. I had folded it in half and I was using that in my pillow sham, and it's always looked completely like uneven and different size than the other pillows. So I took one of these old pillows to replace the pillow sham with, and so once the bed is made I'll show y'all what that looks like. It's crazy to me how buying new pillows for your bed really does change the shape of your bed, because our bed has always looked kind of frumpy, but now with the new pillows and the way I made our bed, it looks so much better.
Keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over.
Here's how the bed looks made. You'll have to excuse our floor. It is messy. I was focusing on just getting the bed made and getting those curtains up last night before we settled down. But here's how that turned out. I really like how the pillows stand up straight and they're not like laying down. And now I'm going to start a load of laundry, and then we will move into the spring cleaning and decorating part of this video. If you're new here or you have not yet already subscribed, I would really appreciate if you subscribe, especially if you like spring cleaning and decorating videos, as I will be putting out a lot more videos like this all throughout the week and all throughout spring. So very excited. I have been doing Pinteresting, so I've been looking for spring recipes, and I cannot wait to do some spring recipes with y'all. Recipes, decorating. I'm going to be doing a little DIY in this video, so I don't know what happens with me, but after winter is over, I come back alive, and I'm just so motivated to bring y'all all the fun content. So definitely be subscribed so you don't miss any of that.
All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over my shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments, all that near you, only God knew about. All those little moments. All those little moments. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we
For my DIY, I purchased these chicks from Dollar Tree. These were the only things that I could find that already had a clip attached to them, but they did have eggs like this as well. But I'm going to just clip these to my lemon wreath. I know I'm going to get questions. This lemon wreath is from TJ Maxx. I got it last year, so you may still be able to find it there this year. So instead of buying a new wreath, because I do like the tulip wreaths, I decided to just turn this one into more of a spring and Easter wreath by adding the chicks to it. And then when Easter's over with, I can take the chicks off and then just continue using this throughout the summer. And I can also get some little clips for the 4th of July. I think I already have a 4th of July thing that goes on my door hanger, but this is how the wreath turned out for this spring. Let me know what you think of it.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you.
I had this lamp in my kitchen, but I just turned this little table in my kitchen into a coffee bar station. If you didn't see that video, I'll have it at the end of this video. But this is how this little area turned out. This is where my curtain inspiration came from. That basket I picked up, I loved it, and I just wanted the rest of the room to have brown. So I've got that blanket, got the basket, got this little foldable table, and then I put that lamp there. And I had the candle there, but at the end of this video, you'll actually see that I switch out the candle for a wax warmer. And then I have this blue crochet blanket or knitted blanket that I'm going to be putting over the love seat. I was looking on Amazon and I did see some quilted love seat covers and chair covers that I would like to get in the future that have a lighter color to them. That way the black isn't so dark in the living room and there's just like little pops of it. But then I'm going to move on to the TV stand. This is the decor I'm working with today. So I have some blue eggs, this little thankful and blessed box, that flower wall art, and then this bicycle right here.
Things just have to be done in the middle of the pouring rain. I still remember the look in your face, how you smiled the first time I met you. But when I look at you now, there's no trace. I guess it's all been erased. You tell me that it's over, that we just hurt each other, but we don't have to end up this way. Drifting away, we're underwater, but there's still time left. If we want it, we can breathe again, breathe again. I'm not surprised that you're feeling this way. I've long known that you're bothered by something. I don't believe that you're right when you say that we're better off this way. True as my mother did say, you can't trust a soul that's been shattered. All those moments we shared.
So I'm playing around with my little cows, but I ended up just putting them in the top shelf in between the eggs and this little DIY picture frame. Let me know what you would have done here. I know the picture frame is a little bit off, but I do think that the twine on the eggs kind of ties in with the gold frame. Not to mention there's gold on the thankful box, and the curtains kind of give that little feel. So I actually painted this. I got that from Hobby Lobby in their like craft section and painted it last year. So I'm just hanging that up on the opposite side of the shelf. And after I vacuum, I will just show y'all around the living room. But as you can see, I'm so happy with how the curtains changed the living room and made it so much brighter. And I really like the idea of having the warm wheat color with the light blue and the black, and then some like darker wood browns in there. So y'all tell me what you think of the living room in the comments. I'm so happy the green is gone. I can't believe I'm saying that. Y'all know I love green, but we had the green curtains for almost 2 years, or actually we did have them for 2 years, and it was time for a change. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of the living room. I really like how the farmer's market wax warmer looks there, and I know I need to cut that tag off of the blanket, but this is how everything turned out. I'm so thankful for y'all watching this video today and hanging out with me. Y'all always say it's like hanging out with a friend, and that just makes my day when y'all say things like that. So I enjoy my time with you guys, and I will see you back here in the next one. The first spring clean and decorate will be on the left, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Bye everyone.
More time with you, baby.